customer came to us at Custom Outfitters to build their next gen Ford Everest, so let's have a look and see what they've done. Starting off with the exterior of this build, at the front we have a hammer bull bar fitted with a bash plate to protect the underside of this Ford Everest. And we've also got the bull bar LED as well as the Stedi behind the grille light bar. So over on the side now we have the EGR fender flares that accommodate the larger Nitto Ridge Grappler tires that are on the GT form wheels, and they also protect this Ford Everest from mud, rock and debris. Up here we have the Trailmax roof rack platform fitted with pod lights, practical for mounting anything for your next adventure or job. Now something that really stands out about this build are the black Venom electric side steps that extend once you open the doors and retract when the doors are closed. And of course we have the smoked weather shields so you can enjoy your drive without getting soaked. Here on the inside we have the Stedi switch panel to house accessory switches in a convenient location to minimize time looking away from the road. And of course the Blackvue dash cam.
Thinking about upgrading your 4x4? Build your dream ride with Custom Outfitters, where we're all about custom.